In the latest version of Affinity, this is the March 2026 version, you can now edit your gradient swatches as well as your hatches via the swatches panel. So let's just go and do that. Now, I've got all my gradients here. All I need to do is go over there and hover over one and right click and select Edit Fill. So do that. You will now see you've got all your stops and you can modify them. So you can just change that, move it back and forth, maybe add one or insert as it says there, change the colour and do it like that. And once you're happy with it, just go off it. And it's changed just here, not here. All the changes you make here are not affecting this. So let's just go to another one. I'm just going to go to this one. So again, hover over here and right click and edit fill. And again, you can just change it. Just move it around, change this. And again, you'll notice nothing changes over here, but you're changing the gradient here. However, should be noticed that it will make a change, and that is it. You've now got a new gradient swatch. But what you can do if you want to save both, just go over here, hover over this, and again right click and make a copy. So before you do any editing, just make a copy. You can see you get another one there. And again, you can now go and edit that one. So you're not affecting the original gradient. So edit fill, and you can just move it back and forth again, change colours, etc. If you want to apply it, of course, all you need to do is simply have the gradient here selected and click here. And now you can see your gradient applied. Now to the hatches. Go to the hatches category. With all the hatches there, you can now go here again and right click and edit fill. Select that, and you will now see you've got all the settings for your hatch. You can modify them. So if you want, you can just change the spacing. Just tweak that. And you can see it in the preview here. Again, that's not modifying anything over here. And you can also add some dashes, also change the Y value, the X value, etc. Exactly the same as before. If you edit the hatch, that's that. It's changed the hatch for good. All you need to do, if you want to keep both, simply go over here and again, right click and then make copy. So with make copy, that will make a copy of that, and then you can go and edit this one. So I'm just going to go here again and right click, edit fill, and just modify the settings here. That doesn't affect the original one. If you want to apply it, simply click the hatch. You might also like to rename the fill, and of course if you make a mistake, you can always delete the fill. If you've got any questions about the hatches, gradients, etc., please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.